Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video on my new to me 2010 Nissan Maxima. Going to address the situation right here with a new tool. This is something Vice Grip Garage calls the Tanya Harding 3000. What? You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons?
Right, it looks like snow.
I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
This is the problem we're going to be focusing our attention on, and it may get loud, so I do have to warn you. But as you can see, this part from a junkyard from a perfectly fine Nissan Maxima don't fit right. So what we're going to do is, using our new tool, the Tanya Harding 3000, we're just going to pound this thing out. We're going to see if we need to straighten this part right here. Yeah, you're just going to give me a kiss? And we're going to address another situation. I got some stuff back here I can't get out. So we might even try the football trick, which I want to try that first. I think the football trick might be first. Take a look. Here you can see the problem from the inside. Yeah, that's the little plastic piece that surrounds my jack, and there's a little metal part, and I can't get it out. It's so dented I cannot remove this, so I can't even get that out to get the football in. So we're going to give her a couple of whacks with the old TH3000 and see if we can create some room. Then we'll try the football trick, and it may just come out pretty. Now all this is covered, of course, by the bumper, so you're not going to see it. The only part I have to worry about, maybe this little dent right here and this little situation right there, okay? Right in through here, we're going to try to hammer this out as well. So let's get some music going and let's get to videoing. Ah. Well, we're already making progress. I can get that out now. So let's get our football in here and give her a little pump. We have the football inserted. I'm going to do a little reinforcement, maybe. What's about the right length here? I need something that's just going to kind of hold it in position. We're going to pump you up. Lola's taking a break. I've been hard at work, okay? Let me show you. Can you see the result? Let's get the full effect. There it is. Okay, now, is it professionally done? No. Is it done for zero money? Yes. Would I do this work for you? No, you don't want me to do this work for you. Okay, I'm about 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/8 of an inch out, just right through here. And I can bang this out a little bit, right? Why are you so pretty? Why are you so pretty? Anyway, we'll work on that later. It's just cold and wet outside. So this needs to be addressed. But as a whole, you step back and you go from this side and it looks much better. I don't know why my tripod right there. Anyway, we have the bumper attached on the back side. I just kind of use how this one folded as a pattern, okay? And I'm happy. I mean, it didn't cost me anything. Just some time, a couple of hammers. I had all the screws and everything. So we do have two. There are two underneath. There are two little plastic tabs. I think I have them in here somewhere, that attach underneath and hold the bottom of the bumper on. So let me get my mat so I don't get all wet, and we will take a look at that and fix that. And then we're going to call it quits because I'm getting ready for another trip up to AAR HQ Northern Office. Woo! Well, this is my viewpoint. Got a big nose in my way. Yeah, Lola, don't. I'm not hurt. I'm just trying to look under here. Okay, if you could look under here with me, there's one of them right there. So I've got to bend that a little bit. This one should just bolt right on right here. Okay, actually it's just a little plastic tab. So I'm maybe 1 inch off here. There it is. So let me do that real quick. And then we'll do this one, and then we'll take a step back because you guys are way too close. This is too close for comfort. All right, we have completed our work today. Tab attached, and tab attached right there. Give me the little pointy finger. There it is. Okay, yep, that's it. And look how nicely they fit still around the exhaust. I think that's great. I really think that's great. So, how did we do? I got to put all this back together. But for a quick little tour, look at that. So much better. And I love the taillights. I really, really, really love these taillights. Much better than the red ones, which will be for sale on Marketplace very, very soon. For the low price of $50. No, I don't know. Anyway, ta-da! What do you think? Not bad. We probably saved, to take this, well, this is the reason the car got totaled. Anyway, yeah, because of that. So we saved thousands. I want to say literally thousands of dollars. So these two headlights, I believe, were $60 for the two of them. This was like $60, so that's $120. And that's all I've spent so far. So I do need to get some paint, and I think I'm going to paint it myself. I don't know, because I got the estimate. Remember, $250 or $6 for the whole car, but they ruined the paint on the car for a super cheap. That's even half price. So I may just paint this myself if I can't find someone to paint it for me. And we do have to address right here. There's a little, oh wait, is that the clear coat? Yeah, that's just a clear coat coming off right there. All right, but I am happy. Mikey likey. So what do you think? I'm happy. These are the two taillights right here that are going on the Marketplace of the Facebook very, very soon. But I haven't even cleaned the interior. I have not. It doesn't need a whole lot of cleaning. I mean, it does need a good dusting. We'll put some protectant on all of this and maybe even treat what could be leather. I don't know. But it's an amazing car that I got for just a little bit of money, and I fixed it for even less money. So this is something that you could do. If I can do it, you can do it. So I hope I have inspired you to go out and buy something cheap. Check out the auctions. You can find great cars. Randy and I have driven home cars that were no money at all. We've driven them 700 miles and they've made it. A couple of them had some issues and bumps on the road, and there's a video coming out very, very soon of another one that may or may not make it. But all in all, cheap cars are out there. You can fix it yourself and you can save a ton of money. Maxima, for example. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. We're back with another video very, very soon on who knows what it could be. Maybe I'll drag something home. Maybe a Porsche. No, it's not a Porsche. It's really not. We'll see. Stay tuned, folks. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.